When was the last time you checked your home's electrical system? Ignoring warning signs like flickering lights, warm outlets, buzzing sounds, or burning odors could put your family at risk. Hidden dangers like knob and tube wiring from pre-1940s homes or aluminum wiring from the 1960s and 70s often degrade, leading to overheating, arcing, and fires. A warm outlet can reach over 150 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to ignite wood, while buzzing signals loose connections or arcing behind walls. Frequent breaker trips, flickering lights, and faint burning smells are all warning signs of aging or overloaded wiring. With over 23,700 electrical fires in 2023, regular checks, like testing GFCI outlets, labeling your panel, and changing smoke detector batteries, can significantly lower your risk. Don't ignore these warning signs. They're your home's way of identifying dangers before disasters strike.